Welcome to 1412 Fairway Drive here in Tallahassee. This is a historic property and I'm so excited to show you. Welcome for another Home Tour Tuesday. I'm Dustin, the real estate baker, and you're going to love this one. Step into Tallahassee history at the Landis House, also known as the Riedel House, an iconic 1936 residency rich with character, scale, and legacy. Originally owned by former Florida Attorney General Cary Landis, this remarkable property has served as a private residence, bed and breakfast, and a reception venue over the decades. Located in Myers Park's Country Club Estates, this rare offering commands its own city block, spanning an impressive 1.29 acres. Inside, you'll find expansive living spaces, 2 fireplaces, and a generously sized kitchen, designed for gathering and entertaining. And as you can see, with a little bit of work and elbow grease, this could be a great chef's kitchen. It's hard to get over this beautiful staircase, but once you do, and the chandelier, you'll find that the main house features 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a welcoming powder room on the main level. This middle bedroom could be a great sitting room or just a place for the family to hang out upstairs and have a nice balcony added. This home is ready for its next chapter. With the right renovations, it could be absolutely stunning, once brought back to life, honoring its history while creating something truly special. If you like a private showing or want to explore the possibilities, reach out to me anytime. And let's don't forget the 3-car garage that comes with a 2-bedroom apartment above.